cool.
Yeah.
So we can get some more in there.
Yeah.
Is that pretty cool?
Let's just keep doing it.
Well, we got it. If there's more powder down there, we can. There we go.
Oh. Upside down. Is that all the food coloring?
No, we have more vinegar and stuff.
Let's keep doing it. Can you do?
Do you want to pour it in, Rob?
I want to do. Yeah, I
We're
want
gonna pour the.
Pour slow.
Can you do all of it?
Jules, can you scoot your
slow
tube?
at a time.
Mama.
Can I do it again? Can I do it?
Put a little bit more in there, Rob.
No, I want to
Whoa,
do
that was
it.
a good one.
I want to do one.
Yeah, let Julia do one.
And me too.
Okay, just a second, Jules. Let's see if there's still some powder in there. Still bubbling a little bit. Now try. Ooh, good job, Jules.
No, my turn. No, my turn. No, my turn. Robert. No, my turn. Can I do it twice since Robert did it twice?
Yeah, just a second.
No, my
Pierce,
turn.
just a second. I'm trying to
No, my turn.
Pierce.
Let go, Pierce. Let Jules do it one more.
And then it's Pierce's turn, then my turn. Okay.
There you go, Jules. Do it. Whoa!
It's a big
That
one.
was a big one.
That's
Mount
awesome.
St. Helena.
No, my turn.
Hey.
No, my turn. On a little bit for Pierce. Don't dump all of it for Pierce.
Here, let me help you.
It's okay, Robert. We still have it more.
Okay, let's put it down. Let's put some more powder in there.
I'll help you. And then it's my turn, okay, Daddy? Then my turn, and then Pierce's turn. Yeah.